My job has me going out of town for a few days, so I said, why not do a pack with me video? So if you want to see what I'm taking out of town, stay tuned. Hi and welcome back to my channel. I am your girl Felicia here with another video on my channel. I do fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and some sneaker content. So if you're into those type of things, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And also don't forget to like and comment. I love to interact with I love to interact with people on my videos. So go ahead and leave a comment. Like I said, I am going on a trip with my job. I wish we was going somewhere warm, but we're not. Yeah, we're going to Boston. So I decided that I'm about to pack. I actually leave out soon, so I'm about to pack up my stuff. I have everything in this basket. I did not intend to do it like that, but when I was trying to figure out what I was taking, I had this basket in my bedroom, and so that's what happened. So I guess we can start. Let me move the toiletry stuff out the way. I kind of like the idea of throwing everything in a basket because you get to, you can make sure that you have everything. It's almost like you can take inventory of everything that you have, and then you're also not running back and forth when it's time to start putting your stuff actually in your suitcase. So that's fine. I am taking a carry-on. At first, I thought I was just going to take a bag, but I decided to bring my carry-on luggage and make life easy for me so that I'm not pulling this bag through the airport. I can just push it and go. So let's get into the outfits. Y'all don't care about my pajamas. So I am taking 2 pair of pants. I am taking a pair of jeans and a pair of slacks. My boss said that he wanted us to be in casual and business casual for the dress code for this trip. So I have a pair of jeans. These are just a pair of mom jeans. So I have those, and I also have a pair of black slacks. We will be in conferences, but we also have like a meet and greet type of, like a meet and greet conference. So I'm taking those. I decided to bring 2 like business casual shirts or business or like dressier shirts, my work shirts basically. I'm bringing 2 of those because I'm not sure if I have to dress up for the meet and greet that evening. So if I do, I have a shirt for that with my slacks, and then I also have a shirt for the actual day of the conference. I'm also taking a blazer because it's usually cold and I don't want to wear a sweater. So I'm going to take a blazer. For my casual looks, I have my jeans, and then I have this long sleeve tee, and I'm pairing it with just this jacket that I got from Old Navy. So that'll be that's one casual look. And then I'm also taking my polo sweatshirt, so that is another casual look. So that is it as far as like what I'm taking as far. Push that down in there. I am not packing this the best. I could have packed this a whole lot better. But that is it as far as like what I'm taking for clothes. I thought somebody was up in here. That's the blinds. So as far as shoes, I'm taking 3 pair of shoes. I know you're probably like, why are you taking 3 pair of shoes? I'm taking a short heel because, like I said, we're having that meet and greet. I don't know what that's gonna be, and we're supposed to be business casual. So I thought these would be a good idea. I'm also taking a pair of flats just in case I decided that I would just want to do a more casual vibe. And And then I am taking my Jordan 1 mids because I just want a high top gym shoe with those sneakers, with those jeans that I'm wearing. So I decided to go with those. So of course I have a toiletry bag. And I keep this stuff in here. Luckily, I did not have to go out and buy a bunch of toiletries because I already had toiletries from when I went to New Orleans. So in here, I have, of course, my deodorant, body washes, face care, my oral hygiene stuff, you know, just your basic toiletries, but it is in this huge bag. And I have my makeup bag. I'm not sure if this is going to go in this bag. I might put this in my tote bag. But in my makeup bag, I have, you know, all of my makeup. I don't plan to do a lot of makeup while I'm there. So I just have like my basics, the stuff that I would wear if I was going to work. So concealer. I have a couple of lip colors in here. Some lip gloss. My eyeliner, lip liner, blush, bronzer, just the stuff that I wear typically when I go to work. That is what is in this bag. Again, I don't plan to do a lot of makeup while I'm there, but I do plan to do just like what I would do if I was going to work. I'm treating this just like, you know, me packing up and just going to work, but out of town. And then in this bag, I have my makeup brushes as well as my makeup primer. And I am taking this beauty blender. It is the Bounce Skin Tint. So I like this because it's lightweight, and just if I want to do a little bit more than just concealer, I throw that on. And then for my hair, and I have my Morphe setting spray. For my hair, I always forget. I'm proud of myself because typically I forget to pack up like stuff for my hair, which is, I know you're like, what? But I do. So I have my hair scarf, and then I also have this wrap to wrap just in case I need to wrap my, you know, my edges and stuff. But I think I'm gonna take my other one. I don't think I want this. I think I want the one that I tie up because this one isn't that secure. So I might switch that out. And then I have oil sheen, as well as holding spray. I have my edge control, edge brush, my feather comb, and then just my regular brush. So that just goes into the suitcase. And then I also have this bag, and in this bag is where I keep all of my electronic stuff. This will go in my purse as well. So I have my portable charger, my headphones, my adapter for my charger cord, and stuff like that. All that will go in my bag that I'm carrying. And as far as purses goes, I am taking this small Coach crossbody bag. This will be the purse that I carry like for my day-to-day if we go out and do stuff, touring, stuff like that. This will be the bag that I carry. And then I'm also carrying my tote bag. I like to carry a tote with me when I go to the airport. I'm not carrying my big tote like I did last time, but I'm just gonna carry this tote because I can also carry this around like a work bag during the conferences and stuff like that. Okay, so everything is packed. Let me just say that I am not a great packer. This is not a tutorial on how to pack. I'm just showing you what I did. On this side, I have all of my clothes. I also have my PJs and my undies. On this side, I have, this is like my hair and miscellaneous stuff up here. And then under here, I have my shoes. I like to keep my toiletries and my shoes, my toiletry and my clothes and stuff separate. So I'm gonna seal this off, close it up, and that'll be it. Everything is packed up and ready to go. I am all set. So I just want to come real quick, close out the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I doubt if I vlog while I am in Boston because this is a work trip. However, I might try to sneak a few things. So make sure that you're following me on TikTok and Instagram just in case I try to do like a quick mini vlog. I might put it on in the YouTube shorts as well. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on my next video. And oh, I didn't show y'all how I was gonna style the pieces, so I'll try to do that and come back and do like a what I wore that week or whatever for that. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.